Welcome to this tutorial on performing FTP download and upload tests using Nemo outdoor tool on a Samsung S20 device. Today, we'll show you how to write a script to let the Samsung S20 device perform FTP download and FTP upload tests concurrently. Let's dive in. To begin scripting, open the script window. You can use the shortcut Ctrl+E or go to the Settings tab in the main ribbon and select Open Script Editor. For this exercise, our first command will be Start Packet Session. This initiates the packet session, providing the necessary foundation for our FTP tests. Next, we'll add a 10-second wait to allow the device to establish a successful packet session. Now, we'll start the FTP download and FTP upload script commands consecutively. Visualizer view, they appear to begin almost simultaneously. Let's set the iteration count to 5 to ensure thorough testing. Now, save the script and exit. Now, assign the script we've created to the connected Samsung S20 device. To do that, right-click on the device and open the script properties. Let's test our script practically and observe the execution process. In the script status window, you'll see the packet session start command executes first, followed by the FTP download command. Once the transfer commences, the FTP upload command is initiated. And there you have it. With this script, we've achieved nearly parallel FTP upload and FTP download testing on a single mobile device. This synchronization allows for efficient and comprehensive testing. That concludes our tutorial on scripting FTP download and upload tests using Nemo outdoor tool on a Samsung S20. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy testing!